Ooh, jump, man. Cool. Boom. In my better half. Caught my first tagged fish. All right, everyone, we made it. We're gonna see if we can get Will on his first shad. He lives kind of in almost western North Carolina, so it's kind of a long trip for him to do shad. But anyway, let's get busy. Let's see if we can get Will on his first shad, and hopefully, I haven't caught too many this year. So let's get busy, see if we can catch some shad. Caught my fish, Adam.
Sorry.
Adam's got one on. Ooh. All right, Will's got one on. 0-3 up there. All right, Will got his first shad.
Cool beans.
It's a nice little fat one.
Let me do the mac with it.
Yeah, dude.
He didn't like that.
Yeah, they want to keep swimming.
Cool beans.
Cool.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, I'll leave, and Adam's got another one.
Fouled him. Right in the belly.
Well, he hit at it. All right, Adam, show them for the camera. Adam just caught those. That was a nice one right there.
That's a fat one.
Yeah. Nice. There he is. Yeah, I got a good one. Hope my camera's on. This don't feel like no shad. Yeah, it is. Oh, he's hooking the back a little bit. Yay! In the back of the head. All right, guys, there's my first of the day. Y'all need any more?
No.
All right, there's my first of the day. I think he hit the acid rain. Cool, let's get him back. We're gonna get him back. There he is. Oh yeah. Come on. Don't do that. Okay. All right, there we go, guys. There we go, guys. My second one of the day. Get him back in the water. Chuck them head first, they do better. All right, Will got his third one. See it right there. Cool.
Chartreuse and white.
All right, I'm gonna take his picture with it. Just chunk them, toss them. Close enough. All right, cool. I caught two. He's caught 3. Adam in the same time. I suppose Adam, if Aki's watching this, Adam knows. Adam just slapped fish. He's caught like 8 to my 2, which is fine. But anyway, let's get busy. I'm gonna fish down here with Will now, since this spot's cleared up. Oh, cool, man. Nice seeing you.
Oh yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
So when you watch this video,
I see your videos on YouTube.
You do?
Yes.
Well, thank you.
First set in 2025.
But I hadn't caught many.
well, let me ask you a question. Do you subscribe?
I did.
Oh, good.
I did.
How
Well,
many
good.
friends have you got to subscribe?
Hey, well, he actually caught his first shad ever today.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Well, if you catch one, you can be on video. Got one on. Adam brought me good luck. Adam brought me good luck. Someone's digging. Hey. Ow. Pulled the tail off. There's one right there. Alright guys, caught another one. Adam brought me good luck. Adam just catches them like crazy. There you go, right there. Not a bad little one. Fat.
Belly full of rope.
Yep. See that belly full of roe? We're gonna get him back in there. He's good.
60 cents a jig and jig heads.
There we go. Man, that's my favorite one right there. There he is. Alright guys, there's another one hitting the white. Maybe I need to change. I got acid rain and white on. Maybe I need to change the 2 whites. Oh God, right in the pole.
Have you got more recognition this year than any other year?
Not really.
Oh, really?
No. Oh. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, jump. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, jump. Guys, double white's doing it. He did a good jump. Tell you he did. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just joking, but there he is. Yeah, I got one.
Dude, you changed up.
Yep.
What do you think you brought him up out further?
Well, this line sinks deeper and casts farther. Right in the mouth.
Hold on, I'll turn the camera.
All right, guys, there's another one on double white. That might be a female. Belly flop. All right, guys. Been kind of a slow day, but not bad. White's doing the trick. Caught a few on acid rain. Yours were on white, weren't they?
They were on white.
Yeah. Guy beside me is catching them chartreuse spoons. I put chartreuse scrub on, didn't get a hit on it. So anyway, we'll see. It's getting late in the evening. It should pick up in a minute. Got him?
I got one.
Do you?
Yep.
My camera's on, so good. Good. Don't lose them. Oh, jump. Oh, jump.
Man.
Cool. Boom. Kind of muddy.
Yeah.
But Will pulled one out there at the end. Uh-oh. Will pulled one out there at the end. That one had a good jump. I'm sure I just showed that on camera. But anyway, guys, we appreciate it. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Good luck shad fishing.